Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve if the Ctrl and F keyboard shortcut is not working properly on your computer. So this functionality is typically regarded to search or find across various applications or web browsers by searching the page for specific text. So if you're having an issue with this, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve it without too much of a hassle. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. First thing I would suggest doing would be to open up the search menu, type in game mode, best match should say game mode settings, open that up. Make sure game mode is toggled to the off position, close out of here, see if that resolves the problem. Next thing we can try would be to open up the search menu, type in device manager, best result should come back with device manager, open that up. And you want to double click on the section that says keyboards, so double click on that. Right click on your keyboard listed in here and select update driver. Select browse my computer for drivers and then select let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Select the default one that's in here unless there's a manufacturer specific one and then select next. Close out of here and then you will need to restart your computer, so I'm going to select yes just to initiate the computer restart. And there you go, guys. Hopefully this pointer issue has been resolved. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.